Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am here to show you a look at the kit I'm going to be using for my next project for Be Happy Stationery. And Be Happy Stationery is a digital imaging company, and she makes wonderful kits and collections for card making and junk journaling and scrapbooking. And the wonderful thing about digital kits is that you can print as much or as little as you want. And you can print one page of each design, or you can print many pages. So let's take a look. I am a design team member for Be Happy Stationery, so that means I get the kits, the digital collections sent to me at no cost so that I can use them to make projects. So that's my little promo bit that I have to say, and I love getting the kits. I would most likely be buying these kits even if I didn't get them for free. So, alright, so this one is called Petalfey Papers. And this first page is ephemera. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see it a little better. So, I'm just loving this. And actually, I better zoom out because I need to turn it sideways. Okay, so you can see these are like, I can't think what they're called. They're like a buckle where you'd have brads put in there, and then this could be opened so another paper would show through, or a ribbon. And then these look like slides, like the little specimen slides or Polaroid slides. But look at those fun colors. And again, I love the whimsy of these collections. The little fairy, butterflies, sunflowers. Of course, I love sunflowers. Then we've got some more tickets here. Got these little square cards and some ovals. And that one's going to be fun. Here's an envelope. I printed that just on white. This one I printed on some yellow background paper, just generic stuff from Canva, because I will probably be folding this, and I like the inside to be something other than just plain white paper. And it's just a generic print. It's not something anybody sells or anything. It's just a background color. And then these fun tags. Look at her. She's got her hands up in the air like she's singing a beautiful song. This one has a little wand or a little stick. That one's having a nice, relaxing time reading a book on her sunflower. Watering plants. Just beautiful, beautiful images. And those are the tags. And again, I printed those on the yellow. And then I didn't really need these to be printed on a background because they're pockets, but this one I might want to have a background, so I went ahead and printed it on the yellowish orangish background page. These ones are cards, and the first time I printed them off the edge because I had them some house size bigger. So, and that one I put on the same type of background, just in a turquoise color. But again, some of the same images, just on more postcard or panel side. And then here's the one I printed the right size, so you can see they were quite a bit bigger, and that's why they didn't print right on that page. So I have those for extras. And then for the cards, I just printed the full sheets. They went off the edge, but it's not going to matter as much on these ones. And I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm thinking a mini album, but I'm not 100% certain. So, but look at the vibrant colors. They're beautiful. There is some writing on these flowers. I didn't notice that on the others, but they might be there. A little bit of writing on there. Just beautiful attention to detail. And again, full of wonder and whimsy. Just so pretty. I think that the designer who makes these knows how much I like whimsy. I don't think I have to say it every video, but the little snail cart. Cute, cute. Little bunny there. And here's our little fairy girl reading her book. Love that one too. Butterflies and bees and cute little fairies. And then these ones printed, this one printed way big. So some of the same images, just printed bigger, which will work great for some images. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do. I will just start working on these and see where the images and the paper take me as far as what I'm going to make. So that is a look at this. I'm probably going to start working on this hopefully today, a little bit later. And again, this is from Be Happy Stationery. The links and will be in the description, along with the links to the link to my link tree that lists all my social media, which I don't have a lot. Lists my social media channels. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and if you feel like it, share this video with others. And this is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee. I'll see you next time, where we'll take a look at the Petal Fairy papers in progress, or maybe even the finished object. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this one. Have a wonderful May. Yeah, have a wonderful May. We are in May, aren't we? Have a wonderful May. Enjoy it. And hopefully you'll have lots of sunshine and flowers. Here in Montana, we need a lot of rain. So I'm hoping it'll be a lot of rain, but not like flood level rains. So thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time.